Oh, finally got to focus. Hello YouTube, welcome to part 3 to the rest of the stripping and painting. We're taking our Dremel stone because we want this smooth in here. You grab this hand and we want it smooth, but we're going to stop so you can still see the old look right there. We're just going to get the very inside where the paint still is and smooth it out a little bit. So let's get to work. Got that primered, the threads are all primered. And we baked it on the stove. We had this on the wood stove too. This thing was so hot you couldn't touch it. So that's baked on Rust-Oleum, whatever, that rust preventer primer. There'll be a picture of it. So let's get to work. Okay, we're ready for primer. Then we're going to bring this in, put it on the wood stove, and maybe fire the wood stove up a little hotter. Okay, we're going to cure it on the wood stove. We're going to put it on it until it's hot. Well, not burning hot when we touch it. We want it really hot where you almost can't touch it, because we don't want to ruin the primer by melting it or some weird thing. So that way it'll be warm when we spray the paint on it. It's a surprise. We're not telling you what color till we're done painting. So stay tuned. Okay, we are done. We're at about a maximum height of 27 inches, and that's 14, the base. And we've got in about 4 inches. I showed another video how far it has to screw in. And I'm going to be doing what I said, spot welding it so nobody can ever use it, and it unscrews and comes apart by lifting a house. So I'm not going to delete the safety feature. So we'll get up close here. We just wanted to get a far away shot of how big this thing is. And what did I say it was right now? 27 inches. You got to figure if it's 14 and 4, it's about 18 inches before you jack something up. That's about 4 inches. So it's not the maximum height you're going to have this thing, about 27 inches. So and let it fall. Let's pause here and we'll sit down here in the chair and give you a closer look. Okay, there's our repair. And I'll take a picture of this. I'll lean it over when I'm done because I don't want to scratch it now. And we're going to see if you can tell. You tell me what corner, like top left, whatever, where you think the repair is. I just couldn't resist it. And the reason I painted over gray primer, it makes this orange brighter. On my tractor, it looks like a brownish orange in the shade because I painted over brown primer. I did it on purpose. I wanted the orange to look older. It is a lot more brighter when you shine a light on it when it's over gray primer. And there's probably 3 good coats on here. I was not going to put any more than that. There's just a little bit left. It was like a half a can I had left, or I got 1 full can left, but that's where you put your bar. No, we don't know that. You put your bar in here, and that's how you jack this up. It's manual. I don't think I'm even going to put oil on the threads. So there's primer, there's paint, it's not going to rust sitting around. If you use it every day, you'd probably want to grease it. But there you go. Thanks for watching. I want to give a shout out to everybody who's commented. If you're new to my channel, go look down at some of the people who comment. You might like what they do. If you like watching my videos, you probably like watching some of their stuff too. So I need to do that more often. There we go. We're out of here.